Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Fundednext account with USDT. First, go to the official Fundednext website, then click login or sign up. Enter your account credentials if you already have an account, or create a new one. Always use the official website to avoid scams. Next, go to the Get Funded or Pricing section. Select the account type you want, such as Challenge account, Verification account, or Funded account. After that, choose your account size. Fundednext offers multiple tiers, and the price may vary depending on ongoing promotions. Now, at checkout, select crypto or USDT as the payment method. Fundednext usually accepts ERC20 Ethereum network or TRC20 Tron network, so always double-check the network before sending USDT. Then, copy the wallet address provided by Fundednext. Open your crypto wallet such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Binance. Send the exact USDT amount, confirm the network matches ERC20 or TRC20, and wait for the transaction to be confirmed, which usually takes a few minutes. Once the payment is received, Fundednext will automatically credit your account. You will also get an email confirmation with your login credentials and account rules. Before you start trading, make sure you understand the account rules. The profit target is usually 10%, the maximum daily loss is usually 2%, and the maximum total drawdown is usually 4%. Minimum trading days may apply, and there may be instrument and leverage restrictions. Breaking any of these rules will result in instant account failure. Next, log into MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, or TradingView if supported. Follow the account rules carefully and monitor your drawdown and profit progress. After you hit the profit target without violating any rules, your account will become funded. You can then withdraw profits using bank transfer, PayPal, Pioneer, or crypto including USDT. Typically, the payout split is 70 to 80% to the trader and 20 to 30% to the firm. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.